Welcome back to our iMonitor tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the new Guideline Groups feature, which enhances how you manage and organize guidelines within your fields. This tool offers flexibility by allowing you to store, view and manage multiple guideline sets within a single field. To enable Guideline Groups, go to System, Features, Guidance. Then select Guideline Groups and set it to Enabled. This setting will remain active until you manually change it. Each field then has a default guideline group with the same name as the field, but additional groups can be created as needed. You can have up to 20 guidelines per group visible on the map simultaneously. Back in the Guidance map view, you'll find a new menu on the right side, the Guideline Group menu. Open this menu to select an existing guideline group or create a new one by choosing Create New Guideline Group. If you'd like to customize it, enter a name for the group. You're now ready to add or view guidelines within this group. Each group can contain various types of guidelines, such as A/B lines or curves, all of which appear on the map when the group is active. Guideline groups allow you to organize guidelines into named sets, making it easier to switch between them depending on your current task or equipment. For example, task-specific groups use only the guideline relevant for specific tasks such as seeding or spraying. Implement-specific groups create separate guideline groups for different implements. Yearly guideline sets store guidelines for each growing season, such as this year's inter-row seeding, to avoid mixing them with the past year's lines. An additional feature in the Guideline Group menu is Guideline Import. This function allows you to import one or more guidelines or shapefiles into the currently active group. To do so, follow these steps. Insert the USB with the saved guidelines. In the Guideline Group menu, choose Import Existing Guideline and follow the on-screen wizard to select and import files from the USB. The guidelines will be added to the active group and associated with the current field. Additionally, you can use this functionality to merge existing guideline groups. Select the required guidelines and copy them into the current active group. The Inventory Manager, instead, is used to import a complete guideline group or an individual guideline from another display. To do so, open the Inventory Manager, go to the Guideline Groups category, select the group, and choose whether to import, rename or confirm deletion. And that's it for this tutorial. With the Guideline Groups feature, you can efficiently organize and manage your guidelines, enhancing both flexibility and performance in the field. For more helpful tips on using the iMonitor, explore our other videos in this series.